Give your family this Easter healthy treat that their body will thank them for. This is healthy Zobo. No sugar, no preservative, no artificial sweetener. Healthy from start to finish. So I'll be using pineapple to flavor it. So the flavor here is pineapple. Okay, so I went ahead to scrub the back of my pineapple with my kitchen brush. Here you scrub it under a running tap thoroughly, and then you peel the skin off. Okay, so because I'm actually scrubbing very well, because I'll be using the skin in the process. Okay, so this is my pot. I washed my zobo first, okay, gently with the clean water, and then I added my uh, pineapple peel. You can see the pineapple peel, and this is my ginger and clove. Okay, I like to pound my ginger because I like to extract every juice from the ginger. Okay, the clove refused to pound, but it's fine because it's very very hard. But the target was the ginger. Okay, so that when it boils, everything will be extracted, nothing hidden. Okay, so I mix it up and then put it on fire and allow it to boil, right? So once it boils, you see the color change. While it is boiling, I went ahead to blend my date. Okay, my pitted date. So this is it. I'll be using date paste, right? So I blended it and I kept it aside. Why this is my pineapple, right? The peeled one that was frozen. Okay, and then I went ahead to blend it as well. So I'll be using it to sweeten the pineapple juice. Okay, so after blending, you just I went back to the fire to check the pineapple, the zobo, and it was okay, right? And then I went ahead to take it out. I used a filter to filter it, okay, to bring out the zobo drink, and then I now put it back on fire and then add a little more water just to extract the entire zobo. Okay, so you can see it very hot, and then I allow it to cool down. Zobo is high in minerals, in vitamin C, magnesium, iron, calcium. So you can't go wrong with zobo. Zobo is also very good for people with high blood pressure. Zobo is sold in Lipton bags, in tea bags, sorry, and in capsule. Yeah, they have zobo tea, so you can actually do this at home yourself. All right, I poured in my pineapple juice, and then I also added my date paste. Okay, I mixed it. So now the dates, now you have to taste for sweetness. It depends on how sweet you want. If you want it very very sweet, you keep adding dates, but be rest assured that it takes a lot of dates. Okay, so because of the strong taste, it consume a lot of dates. That's why people use artificial sweetener. So for those trying to conceive, zobo has a compound that can stimulate the uterus and can prevent implantation of the embryo or cause early miscarriage in pregnancy. Okay, so it is advisable for women that are trying to conceive to just stay away from zobo for a while until your pregnancy is confirmed after 3 months. So this may not be for everybody, but then you don't know how your body is going to react to the compound in zobo. Once your pregnancy is over 3 months, go ahead and enjoy zobo. All right, so I went ahead to sieve my zobo. Okay, I use a cheesecloth to just sieve. So if you are taking it for the family and you want the fiber of the pineapple and the dates, you can just go ahead and take it as well. So I must say that there's no limit to what flavor. You can use banana, you can use apple, you can use strawberry, whatever fruit you want to use, but make sure you don't cook the fruit, because some people go ahead to cook and then they end up killing the whole vitamins and enzymes in the fruit. When your zobo cools down, that is when you add your fruit. Please do not boil your fruit with your zobo. You are just making a dead zobo without any life enzymes in it. All right, so this is it. You can see how it is. So I had to bottle for my client because my client actually requested for my peace of mind zobo. Yes, I call it peace of mind because everything is clean, from the water, the titanium pot, drinking water, everything is thoroughly. I didn't use aluminium, and then this is it for my client, and then the rest I kept for the family. Yes, that is what we are enjoying for the week, right? Thank you so much for watching. So if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So go ahead and enjoy peace of mind zobo this Easter. See you in my next video. Bye.